Hi, I'm Daphne Richards, and this is Augie. We often get questions about what exactly makes a plant native, and how is this different from a plant that's adapted. Native plants are known to grow naturally in a certain region, and so they should do well when planted in landscapes in that region. And adapted plants are native to regions with a similar climate, so they've been shown to do well in an area even though they aren't found in nature there. It's also very easy to be confused by the terms variety, cultivar, and hybrid. Think of varieties as naturally occurring variations, and cultivars as variations that come about due to human intervention, such as crossbreeding and hand pollinating. When you see the abbreviation VAR period, such as Anisacanthus quadrifatus VAR period wrightii, you'll know that plant's a variety. And the common way to indicate a cultivar is to include its specific cultivar name in single quotes, such as Salvia farinaceae Henry Dulberg. The most important reason to use a plant's full scientific name correctly is to make sure that you get the exact plant you're looking for. The term hybrid is often used to indicate that a plant is sterile due to crossbreeding between two different but closely related species, but can also be used to simply convey that this crossbreeding has occurred naturally due to an exchange of pollen in the wild. And these plants named often include the letter X, as in Salvia X indigo spires. If you're still confused, you're not alone. I have 2 degrees in plant science, and plant nomenclature still scrambles my brain. Perhaps more important than knowing whether a plant is a variety, a cultivar, or a hybrid is to understand what type of soil it prefers, how much water and light it needs, how big it's going to get, and how sensitive it is to cold, heat, and intense sunlight. And just because a plant's native to a particular region or ecosystem doesn't mean it's suitable for every garden in that region. Be sure to check out what's tagged as invasive in your state at the USDA's National Invasive Species Information Center website. We'd love to hear from you. Click on centraltexasgardener.org to send us your stories, pictures, and videos.